Add column in data frame from list. I have a data frame with some columns like this. The possible range of values in I are only from 0 to 7. Also, I have a list of 8 elements like this. If the element in column A is n, I need to insert the nth element from the list in a new column, say D. How can I do this in one go without looping over the whole data frame? The resulting data frame would look like this. Note, the data frame is huge and iteration is the last option, but I can also arrange the elements in list in any other data structure like dict if necessary.
IUC, if you make your, unfortunately named, list into an int array, you can simply index into it naturally. Here I built a new m, but if you use m equals np.assArray list, the same thing should work. The values in df.a will pick out the appropriate elements of m. Note that if you're using an old version of NumPy, you might have to use m df.a.values. Instead, in the past, NumPy didn't play well with others, and some refactoring in pandas caused some headaches. Things have improved now.
First, let's create the data frame you had. I'll ignore columns B and C as they are not relevant. And the mapping that you desire. Done. Output.
Just assign the list directly. Alternative. Convert the list to a series or array and then assign. Or
a solution improving on the great one from @Sparrow. Let df be your dataset, and mylist the list with the values you want to add to the data frame. Let's suppose you want to call your new column simply new_column. First, make the list into a series. Then use the insert function to add the column. This function has the advantage to let you choose in which position you want to place the column. In the following example, we will position the new column in the first position from left by setting log equals 0.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.